No sun. Not like California.
Hi guys, I just landed in the Edmonton flight. Like just landed. There's a bunch of people. I guess I'm gonna post all my videos when I get to my uncle's house, I guess. My auntie and my uncle's house. There's a window. I landed and you can see the ground. I am awesome because I'm posting YouTube videos for you guys. So, I guess I'm gonna be getting off right now.
Let everybody else go.
It's easier this way.
Yep.
It's raining.
It's easier. First on, last off. Wait.
That's what I said. You can't steal my catchphrase.
Another thing.
Window, let's go. Boom, ba boom, 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 ba da boom.
Jacket, got something.
No, I already have my jacket. I'm carrying my iPhone.
Hold on, Lucas.
Lucas!
Sit down. I can't. I know. You're in the way.
Thank you. Yes, I'm outside. Oh, it's so cold out here. Oh my god. It's so cold out here.
Look at West Edmonton Mall.
That's not West Edmonton Mall. Mom, what is that place over there? What's
The
that?
airport.
Oh, that's an airport. I thought that was West Ed. Okay, I've never been to Edmonton before, but it is freezing. It's like I'm in the Pacific Ocean or something.
Colder, eh, girl?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Grab your jacket.
Oh, it's okay.
I can see my breath already. Woo! Yay, I'm inside. It's still cold.
It's even cold in here.
I know.
It's so cold in here.
I cannot.
Spot up above first.
Yeah, but
My uncle.
I can't find him. I'm so good though.
I don't want to get another flight for a while. But yeah, I'll be posting videos of his house and West Ed. So I guess I'll see you later. YouTube sign.